Big drawing feature for us is that we are growing, and so we're taking those lists right now of referrals, or those people who want to get on our waiting list, as those are filling up quite quickly.
They have 2 rooms going in, then a salon, a staff restroom, storage area. This particular house has a spa tub going in.
So currently we're at 50 beds here on our campus, going to 60 very soon.
The construction's taking place at all 9 of our small house neighborhoods. Again, each neighborhood has 5 houses. There are 2 additional rooms going on each house.
So no matter where you're at, you can find one of our communities that's nestled within a community. So you're not going outside somewhere in a large setting where you just become another number. You're part of the family when you come home here.